Now the focus is back on the supervisor. The technician has completed the tasks that were assigned, and we can now review those tasks and close the work order down for good if we're happy with it. So we want to log in and go to the work management. On the first tab are the tasks which are still active and being worked on as we speak, and on the second tab are the completed jobs. So we'll filter by our primary location, and this is the work order down here that we've been looking at. If we click onto it, we get this banner appear on the right hand side which gives us summary information about the work order. We have our work order opened and completed date at the top, and then down at the bottom we've got the cost summary and information about the jobs. Because we weren't actually logged on for that long, the labour costs haven't accrued that high. If we want further information, we can click onto the work order, and if we scroll down we can see the breakdown of the charges, including the total time and the total costs. And we can click onto individual jobs to see further information about these individual jobs. Such as the job to repair the windscreen wiper and washer, we can see that the technician added a note and issued a part. If the technician performed a service inspection as part of the job, that would also be listed here. If we deem it necessary, we can actually make amendments to the job. We can change the job code, we can change the parts issued, and we can make amendments to the labour booked as well. We're also able to upload photos of the job at any point during the process, including now and previously. So technicians are encouraged to take photographs of defects and damages and upload them to the job to support the repairs that they're doing. So if we're all happy with that, we can come out, and we've decided that there's no changes we want to make, we're happy to close the work order down. We come out again and we select the close work order option. And that's the end of the workshop tasks. It's now back to the driver.